Hey everyone, it's Mike Reese here with Signature Yachts. Today taking a very first look at the new Beneteau First 18. Just arrived to our docks. And you can see it's a real sporty boat, really ideal for someone who wants to easily trailer a boat to their destination, or also someone who might have a house on the water and wants a fun boat to take off the edge after a tough day at work. So let's take a closer look. You can see on the port side there's the sock that is stretched out from the bow. That enables the spinnaker to be easily doused into that, so you don't have to go to the bow to pull down the spinnaker. Super roomy cockpit for a boat of this size. You can see the twin rudders really enable good steering control even at a high angle of heel. All right, stepping down now. You can see on the cockpit floor the foot straps. So even though this boat doesn't have lifelines, you can be securely holding on to the boat with your feet and help hike out. Tons of fun to sail a boat like this. All right, now looking down. So also kind of unique on a small 18-foot sport boat like this is a really nice V-berth, so you can make it into a camping outing. Nice little weekender boat or overnight boat. Boat has a swing keel, so the black knob on the starboard side there helps winch that up for easy trailering. It also, to the right and port and starboard, has stowage bags already mounted. So, all right. So not too much more to show on a boat like this. It's just a performance-oriented, great day sailor or overnighter for you, your kids, your family, and friends. If you have questions, give us a call at the office. Thanks so much for watching.